Starting your journey, analyst to data scientist.
Moving from an analyst to a data scientist role is a rewarding step, but it requires new skills and a strategic plan. This guide walks you through the key technical knowledge, practical steps, and mindsets you'll need to succeed in making this career shift.
Building essential data science skills.
Expand your expertise beyond spreadsheets and SQL. Learn programming languages like Python or R. Get comfortable with libraries such as Pandas and scikit-learn, and strengthen your grasp of statistics, machine learning fundamentals, and data visualization tools. These core abilities form the foundation of a data scientist's toolkit.
Developing real-world experience.
Apply your new skills to real data sets by working on personal projects, contributing to open-source initiatives, or volunteering for data-driven tasks at work. Build a portfolio showcasing analyses, predictive models, and clear visualizations. Employers look for hands-on experience. Demonstrate your problem-solving approach with tangible results.
Bridging the gap, soft skills and mindset.
Data scientists translate complex findings into actionable insights. Focus on clear communication, storytelling with data, and cross-functional collaboration. Refine your curiosity and critical thinking to explore data deeply and ask impactful questions. These skills are crucial when presenting your work to technical and non-technical stakeholders alike.
Navigating the job transition.
Update your resume to highlight new skills and projects. Network with data scientists, join relevant communities, and seek mentorship. Consider educational certificates or specialized courses to validate your expertise. Be patient with the application process. Each step brings you closer to your goal of becoming a data scientist.